So this is my favorite chicken spice that I use on my chicken. You can use this spice on pork chops. This is one of my sister's favorite spice to use on chicken roast. So, and I started liking it too. So, what I did, I just put some in here. So if I needed more, I'll put some in here. And I'm going to show you how I sprinkle it on my chicken. Okay, so the oven is now, I said, the oven is now at the right temperature. The chicken, that chicken, is going in the oven. You want to set your timer for 20 minutes for the chicken. So in 20 minutes, your chicken should be done cooking on the side, and then you flip it for another 20 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to take the chicken out of the oven. Now, at this point, so now it's fully cooked, you want to take your tongs. I like using metal tongs to pick it up. Use your left hand, grab onto the foil, and gently get under each side. And flip them over. Since they're now on the other side, put your tongs down. Got your oven mitt. Open the oven door. Slide the chicken back in. I like having tater tots with my chicken. So they'll go in the same time as the chicken. So they're going into. Close it up. Set a timer for another 20 minutes. Those should be done in 20 minutes. Voila. Okay, so I'm making chicken. So with my chicken, I like to have Swiss sauce. So if you're know the restaurant Swiss Chalet, they have what is called Swiss sauce that you can get with the chicken, the meal with the chicken and the sauce. But in grocery stores, they sell it in a can, and I like having this with my chicken instead of going to the restaurant. And this is an easier way to have your own or they also make this larger version, but this is, you guys can see that. So if you guys can see that, that's Swiss Chalet powder versus the can. So and if you're a big fan of Costco, or if you shop at Costco, they sell these in the store. In their store, just Costco. This is the large version. So, and it will feed your family instead of This is for one person. This will feed the family, your whole family, and then you don't have to go to the restaurant. And yeah, we use every time. It's good. You just follow the directions on the back, and you have soy chili sauce. But tonight, I'm going to be using the can because I'm eating by myself, and I'm one person. Yeah. Okay, so now the chicken is ready, the tater tots are ready, and the sauce is ready. My dinner is served. I just turn it off, see? Now we're going to just show you the chicken. 20 homemade chicken thighs in 20 minutes. This is what they look like. Yummy, juicy chicken thighs in the oven. Hope you enjoy.